work more in a week to work less in the long run. Guys, work like a multi-millionaire. Work like you own the damn place, and work like you're hitting it. Work like you're already super successful. And don't kid yourself, the big guys, the wealthy, the super successful, they work long hours. 9 to 5, it's poverty thinking. Switch that to 9 to 9 until you got your money right. Right? Why would you want to work 40 hours a week your entire damn life when you could work 100 hours a week for a shorter period of life? Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, they all work long hours. You're listening to the wrong people if you don't. The millionaire, the multi-millionaire, the multi-billionaire, they're working all the time. They're working on networking. They're working on getting new information that they need. They're working on education. They put everything together. They're reading. They're learning. They go out of their way to stay networked with other people, to learn from people that have already got what they want and where they want to go, which puts them in a position to do more, right? More for their family, more for their future, more for their community, and yes, more for their freedom.